Good afternoon, everyone. It is my honor to introduce our distinguished speaker for today. She is an accomplished educator, performer, and sports advocate. She earned her bachelor's degree in secondary education, majoring in MAPE from Kalan Educational Foundation in 2013, where she graduated cum laude. She continued her academic journey by earning a master's degree in physical education and sports science in 2019 and recently completed her Doctor of Philosophy in Educational Management in 2023, both from the University of Batangas. Beyond her academic achievements, she is a licensed professional teacher and a proud alumni member of the Kisinhayaw Cultural Troupe of Quezon National High School. She is also a pioneer member of the Kalayan Dance Company and has represented the Philippines in international dance sport competitions in Singapore and Taiwan. Additionally, she has performed as the prestigious Cultural Center of the Philippines. Currently, she serves as a secondary school teacher at Gulang-Gulang National High School, where she serves as a MAPE coordinator. Her expertise extends further as a national licensed judge in gymnastics, the tournament director for aero gymnastics in the division of Lucena City, and an active member of the International Association for Physical Education and Sports. Her contributions to education have earned her significant recognition. She was recently awarded in Tagaytay City as the Outstanding School Sports and MAPE Coordinator, Outstanding Tournament Director, and Most Outstanding and Innovative Educator and Researcher by the International Association for Physical Education and Sports. Please join me in welcoming her as she shares her expertise and insights with us today. Ladies and gentlemen, Dr. Michelle Lorraine B. Guario.